Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this tutorial on how to upload an article to your WordPress site. What we're going to do is place an article in this top position of the local news category, and that's going to force these articles to move down and make room for the new one. So let me just walk you through that process. You start on the home page, and once you're logged in and you can see the admin bar at the top, you just go straight to the dashboard. All right, and once in here, you're going to want to go to the Articles module. If you just click Articles, it'll actually bring you to the All Articles. That's the same link. And this is a list of all articles that have ever been published on the site. See, we've got 1,000 items, still probably moving in archives here. And you can page back, but you can also just see that everything is available right here. If you wanted to add a new story, then just click Add New. Put your headline here, body of the article here, and then you can just place your cursor anywhere in the body and then click the Add Media button, which will bring up the media library, which is all the images that have ever been published on the site. So you can reuse old images, or you can just upload a new file here from your computer. Okay, so now we're looking at the media library, all media items from all dates. Usually I like to change that to images just to narrow down the search, and then look at a certain date range like November 2018. Okay, we've got a bunch of pictures here. Let's go with the barbershop. Okay, and now we've got our headline, the body of the article. You've also got to give it a category. Otherwise, it won't know where you want it to appear on the home page, so it won't appear at all. So let's put it in the local news category. That's where we said we wanted it. Tags are not necessary, but you could add them for ongoing topics. And then the editions, you just choose from the calendar date. Typically, it's a good idea to keep these stories in the same editions as your print, just to kind of keep things organized, even if they're an online-only breaking news type story. But make sure you hit Add, and then you'll see that it's going to appear underneath with an X box. Then I can just click another date and actually add multiple editions and then remove them, okay, as needed. So then we go down. The last thing that you want to do, that you really need to do, is set the featured image. So you click this to do that. And I'm just going to go through and find the exact same image and set that as the featured image. The featured image, by the way, is what is used on the home page, any thumbnail throughout the site, on a category page, or in your newsletter. This is the image that's going to be displayed there. And a quick note on the featured image, you can crop it. So if you have a picture like that, you might want to come in here and adjust some of the cropping, for example, on the slider image, because this is a different proportion than a lot of the other thumbnails. So you might just want to adjust that to get, both faces in there, and then save the crop. Okay? Then we're done. We've done everything we need to with this story. So headline, body, category, and featured image. So we're good to publish. So I'm going to go ahead and say publish. We're looking for the headline here with the kid at the barber shop. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so the latest article, the most recently published story, is ours. So that's in the top position of the local news category, and it pushes Dia de Muertos over, and it actually pushed that story that was on here in the beginning off the page because we're only showing 2 articles at a time with this local news widget. All right, that's about it for now. If you have any questions, please shoot an email to ops@our-hometown.com. Thanks a lot.